Okay, bafethu, welcome back to Speaker Now. This is your boy Taylor DJ. Mawuthi bafethu waqala leli show. Sakudala bafethu ku-YouTube ungene laphana Speaker Now, subscribe na ku Facebook usikhona Speaker Now, ku Twitter @Speaker Now. Namhlanje siphethe artist la. Oh, actually ngifuna ukuyithinda leyo manje sengiqala ngimhostela le ndlela. Siphethe host la hip hop uthi Square bafethu Square ukuyashaya ishow nje la eMaritzburg yaduma kakhulu ibizwa nge-iHeart Hip Hop bidume kakhulu lapha ngo-2014 and now ukhona ubuyile eredweni bashaya into ehlukile ke manje ke bahamba nge-online so namhlanje nje siphethe uthi Square bafethu Square welcome to the show man
my brother manje mfethu
akhamba kahle mfethu sibonga ukuthi nje mfethu ugcina ufikile le show mfethu kade sifuna ukushaya engahlangani but namhlanje ikhona la show mfethu so nje before siqale nje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi Square mhlawumbe uthando la le hip hop luqale yiphi mhlawumbe uqhamuka
hey my brother I won't lie uthando le hip hop I remember back in the days I was growing up I was around 19 like I had this cousin of mine wayegereza lezi gereke kanjalo yabo lezongena nani Maritzburg College if I'm not mistaken sihleli ntambama I'm supposed to do homework I'm not doing homework afike neopman athi kusentwana ulalele la hey yamuzwa lo muntu mfethu spitting hardcore rhymes at that time I was like hip hop kuyilo ngibuke Chris Cross nani ngi-TV nganaki umuzwe lo muntu mfethu he's hardcore mfethu ukhuluma iqiniso nani nkakamasi lale 2-3 tracks hey ubalo athi Tupac okay nice yabo hayi dlula insuku aqhamuke nangelinye ilanga angilalelise futhi omunye ngezwe izilo uyisidudla lo muntu yabo angilalele futhi nginqayo ke flow yalomjika it was a late back flow yabo hey mfethu ubalo athi Notorious B.I.G. I'm like no this guy he's the shit yabo hayi kubi lokho mfethu ngilalele Tupac ngilalele B.I.G. nani siqhubeka isikhathi a friend of mine introduced me to Eminem.
Jesus.
Eminem, Slim Shady, dog. I was like, I'd say it's calling game elihlanyayo. Get say it. What man call rap, bro? Like what man call rap? Like straight up. We black people only rap. White man rap? I'd say okay, Zash. I'd say nine cassettes. Feeling friends. Feeling nangishintsha lezi lutho ngiqonda ngiki-rap. 5 cassettes in friends to play. When it was just a little boy, huh? Okay, it's a white man's voice though. You know, wanna put shady, cause why? Cause shady will fucking kill you. I'm like, okay. That's where I really fell in love with hip hop. I don't know B.I.G. Notorious, Wu-Tang Clan. I went deep.
And during that time, I wasn't about now. As a rap.
Hey, dude, I did. I was part of a group. Some people would know.
Okay.
Okay. It was. We started by Sikheli. Kuneredo. Clean umuntu produce it say bafethu ngeke sibolekile ashaye beats athi ngeke bafethu night beats aningene styles freestyle at na ibhaleleni ke manje soshaya kubi track straight ithina mjida spell yabo ngempela iphume check yokuqala sirecorde ibo sharp ayisincane yabo lapho artist wa so rapper ke lapho
so what was the name of the group
it was the faculty and one guy you do know who has made it Mobs Dash.
Oh I know
Mobs Dash is part of the Mobs Dash is part of the crew the faculty because I remember like we were almost like Scholar Camp Sanga said that day because we were like we started off having 9 members.
Dude,
yeah man like sasiblind kwenzeka ukuthi mfethu umuntu waqala wabona amanye amano ama-avenues but then still it was for the love of the music and kakhulu hip hop yabo
sure
kwayilokho ngokuhamba kwesikhathi fell in love with ama-events because I'd get ama invitation and ama events to mhlawumbe it's a Saturday, mhlawumbe kune poetry session, mhlawumbe museum and everything. So I'll go and chill lapha and listen to poetry, listen to rap. You kids in Big Chill, some of y'all will recognize, Big Chili, like, I'd have fun, Gilap, I did events Gamina, dog. I did 3, I would say successful events, I did 3. It was
straight up people.
Straight up. Hip hop ekas. Kalaba friends, but cheat. Hip hop ekas. So it went well, I must say, sisters. With events, it fluctuates. Since in my events, it would be clapping the Suskashana, let's say, could be dry season. Could be the Suskat, could be dry season. So, yeah.
So, one of our questions now, about there's a lack of my event like PNP, especially inside the hip hop. So, since so very wakulumagi on mhlambe kuleka because la eMaritzburg like mhlambe mawuthi attend ama show mhlambe ishow hip hop iba once in 3 months nayo futhi ngebuza abantu aba-20 mhlambe inkinga ama promoters or support engekho kwenzakalani.
It would start kwama artist. It would start kwama artist ukuthi as a book artist, I need people who are professional. Guys, as an artist, you need to be professional. I must stress this. People who have made it in life, Abo aka Yo Casper or Banbani, they started off very ngokuthi lento bayithathe light. Kwagcina sekuthi nomfethu ngempela umuntu maseqala athi uyenza ibe career. Ingakho uthi kuba khona umuntu iartist libe nemanager. Ngomanager uyena umuntu okufaka kulayini ukuthi yeba so recorder manje. Must record esiqala ngo6 siyayeka ngo10. So there has to be strictly 6 to 10 cause studio time imali. You should be professional. Kumele ubhale. Uthatha umuntu akanani nekos right. Uyibhalela yena straight. So professionalism kama artist ibona mfethu abantu bama events ama promoter umuntu uzoqasha umuntu othize athi uzomholela omunye angamholeli kuba ukuthi kusho lo muntu azomholela ngoba embone professional lo munye kusho akekho professional and it sucks. It's all and that sucks. Yona lento ebulala lento ukuthi lo muntu ongakhokheliwe uyogcina umuntu ongafuna ukuthi athi makuthiwa woza for an event avume because uyabona ukuthi ngeke ngithola ngisho nemali igibela alone angatholi lutho. So yiloko kuyinkinga like ama artists ama promoters the support as an artist have people that are supporting you come through to the show but manipulate ukuthi come through and then it is I'm performing for you to get the further exposure as an artist because that's how it is. You can't say PNP for like 5 to 10 years you haven't been elsewhere. So you don't thinking artists, promoters, you as an artist sell yourself, market yourself, be a brand yourself. Then everything will be good. Yeah.
And another thing since when umuntu oseredweni la abantu impact la hip hop eredweni ingakanani mhlambe from
my guy hip hop impact in terms of hip hop my guy because nami nje bengisho ukuthi I had people that I listened to that actually influenced me with nami ngicine about radio. For example, Timbo Touch.
Sure.
Timbo touched a lot of lives.
Rhyme and Reason.
My guy, you remember. In terms of hip hop alone, actually at that time I said today I have a surprise. I'm going to be speaking to my nigga Akon. You like Akon Champ was a gold? No, my nigga.
And if for 2000 I understand Akon at the time was big.
Nanama is respected. He held it down for years.
Yeah, but since about 2000 they are only following new wave, so they don't see Akon on TV.
Yeah.
I understand around 2005.
That
guy. They would demand you, bro. Everywhere.
I'm telling you, bro. So, like, Timbo Touch, watching is something to music itself has an impact. But hip hop alone, has something else. So, kufana ne artist nizotsendela iculo lithi ngicela mfethu ngicela playlist injabulo elitholayo eli-expressayo ukuthi uthatha umuntu olalele, you'd get a call, you'd get a text, you'd get a message. Mfethu umuntu mfethu ngiyabonga. It would be like le muntu mfethu mhlawumbe ungazi umnikezeli. Yabo leyo joy, if it's like my guys, sisonke mfethu ngipusha up all over because now I want to be somewhere, but I need to start ukuthi ngibe nabantu engizokhuphuka nabo. You can't make it in life up there uwedwa because up there you get lonely, dog. You get lonely. You need friends, you need people that are gonna hold your back. If you're up there alone, I would say, hey, namanje say lapho, hey, uyongibona ngilaphi. It doesn't work out. Ugcina uswehla futhi uphinduka nje ngapha. The time mina sengikhuphuka mina sengiyehla sekuthi. So in life it's not like that. Iba nabantu abakhuphulayo, iba nabantu abazothi I'm who I am because of that guy. Now ungamali into ukuthi hayi amade ubani bani no.
So nje basically radio afuneki umuntu ozoba nomona la.
No. See that it's upayilo esingawuhlephula sonke sidle sonke sisuthe sibe mnandi. So wonke umuntu unale ophisi yakhe. Ungamvaleli lo muntu ngaphandle. Ungawuthatha uphisi wakho uthi mningi mfethu sidle sonke sibe grand.
Yeah, I'm glad ukuthi uyayimention because kunamanye ama-artists anayenhla ukuthola ama-shows la ukuthi maybe uthole ishow e-hip hop and uthole ishow ngoba kuyazi ukuthi yena umuntu wazi hip hop but at the end of the day asafuna ufaka abanye abantu because ufuna kushayine yena i-spotlight sisambekile noma kubangani bakhe and then abantu abenza ama-show only people abazena uma kuthi unodope then uyabona ukuthi i-threat bezwenza show ukuthi awutholi so kungasevayile abantu ngaphandle into ejwayelekile le kuma-radio station especially lawa ama-community la so. And another thing, ngifuna ukuzwa ngawe la from kusuka mhlawumbe ku-community radio station uye kule wave entsha like online ukuthi anjani mhlawumbe ama-roles mhlawumbe senziwe nje eradweni there is no case wait bani kula traditional media lejwayelekile mhlawumbe masufika ngale injani i-freedom umuphi umehluko interaction nabantu injani feeling sithi usuke ubona o2 ama-side mhlawumbe.
Yo, I must say online is excuse my Spanish, but it's the shit. Yeah, online is shit. Like creativity corner la payana, you are allowed to make mistakes. It's we are peeling la paya because radio, as you know, whether it's commercial or doza. You umelo ungene ususaza story sakho. So straightforward. So la payana, you make a few mistakes. La payana, you have fun. La payana, it's you reveal who you are. That's where this guy is a presenter or a radio presenter, and this guy you are forced because it really shows you just stream one apaya. Awulaleli akukho ukuthi awuthi sikube mbhedele awuthi uvule kwenye station. Scream mina ngilalele mina so I need to make sure ukuthi I capture you at the time you're tuning in until there's a great show. So it is what it is.
Because abantu balalela ngedatha yabo.
Exactly. I need to give you world class show and yaport. But now the thing is people abantu bangazi ukuthi square amafika lapha sekubona umuntu singathenga nah I'm raw I'm like this ngikasi sisonke feel straight up yabo. That's how it is.
So when it comes to playlist, like, are you allowed, since you know to give a shy show hip hop, and I know what's my challenges like on paper, but let's have a radio edit and stuff. We say 90 what it no matter available online, I'm say fun, there's no PCC, no e-casa, we can play any song up or no nakona still unalo amapantas akon.
I can play any song, but nakona is a moment because this online tradition is still taboo. It's still it is ngayijwayele ngale yondlela. So siyazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi sikuvale lokho okungafunakali kwi-radio ngqo, but futhi nakhona we are really trying for you to be raw because we have people to umuntu oshaya freestyle. Usajwayele into ukuthi uyathuka kwi-freestyle. So akulula kuyena ukuthi abe umuntu uthi bezoshaya freestyle aye kukursa. I've held my freestyle sessions on radio live and it was radio so I had to make sure I kept on like guys no cursing. Guys My job is on the line, guys. Come on, my job is on the flipping line. No cursing. So Lapayana, it would happen, Uguti. It's just gonna be raw, straight up. It's just J. Why I get 100 at PG? It's what I say.
Because now traditional abantu understand ukuthi it's not even about the community. There's ama-pickup orders asukelalele. So
yes. Yeah.
This is any complaint ibuya ize radio station. So lento engifuna ukwazi ngoba since ngale online thing ngakhe.
Yeah.
Lesingaqala nje umuntu and they monitor yena ngakhe.
It's your thing.
Ayikho yathekeni.
Exactly. It's your thing. As long as uthole i-link nani ungene ku-internet qedile.
So as someone mhlawumbe osobe around la ePMB, especially kwi-hip-hop inside la khona, so from lapho nisaqala even namanje mhlawumbe usibona sinjani istate se-hip-hop, are we growing noma abantu ba-give up bamuvela kuma-house because kuyenzeka sometimes umbona u-DJ wadeshaye freestyle next thing usambona usihamba ama-gig since siyazi ukuthi ama-club amaningi abamsukubiza u-house DJ uyambona nawo because ama-DJ afuna imali usephusha i-house nayo. So sithini i-state nje mosibheka wona se-hip-hop ase-PMB u-2020?
My guy, hip-hop in PMB is growing, I must say. Although we lack in creativity, that's where as an artist, I move with the trend. If no T-square, must spell is cut some as T-square of no shinja, give them. Lapho we lose the originality, we lose a lento umdade ngithanda ngiyona. Ilapho la uthothi manje creativity isiyabheda khona. Bengijwayele ukukhipha, angisakhiphi. Noma mangikhipha, I would say, I don't really want to say, I don't like that word, but I'm keeping their work. So it's the way kube ngazuthi iyama noma asiboni cool, but you're in corner and it's booming. And abantwana ziyapush blind. And food nama G's, they still holding it down. So yeah, I got push about try.
So we know mhlawumbe ukuthi wena since uwena umuntu represent hip hop and the question is obanzima ukuthi uyiphendule but mhlawumbe ungasinika mhlawumbe top 3 nje yama MCs ase-PMB.
For me,
yeah, for wena nje.
Me, myself and I.
Abantu kumele bethathe offense nje.
Exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.
Just nje uthi top 3 yakho nje la.
My top 3.
Sure. Noma ngathiwa usayibeka in order nje.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay, it's not easy, but DK makes it in top 3. DK makes it in top 3. I mean, who else? Like I said, it's not easy because a lot of talented rappers out there, man. PMP is holding it down. DK makes it. The guy I mentioned earlier on. Oh, no. He can strive. You know, he has bars and everything. He's dope, but he's still missing Leo. This guy, man, come on, why am I forgetting this guy? I usually get man born out to GT.
Oh, I think we are talking about Sucho.
Yeah, Joe MC holds it down for me.
So,
top 3. Hey, okay. My nigga Joystick holds it down. When I go completely, you can see again.
So when I was sticking, I go.
Yeah, big time. Yeah, he's the one who tells stories like us.
Somebody similar Leila, I'm gonna be familiar now.
Yeah, he's the age. Yeah.
So yeah, top 3 across the
PMB. That's what top 3 PMB.
In no particular order.
Yes, in small parts of the world, it's sort of good.
So there's another thing like I think not even about the PMB, like artists, especially hip-hop, who ukusebenzisa i-internet mhlawumbe. Ithini comment yakho la noma abanye bayisebenzisa but they are always on Facebook posting other stuff ku YouTube asobebukela bakhipha ama songs ba release ku WhatsApp, there's no link abafaki lutho, even like ama offices amakhulu like abo Samro ama system amaningi ase PMB aba registered and
it starts off by doing into oyithandayo, then kule nto oyithandayo ukhuphuke kuyona. As long as the time ukhuphuka, you do research. You educate yourself about it. Being an artist nowadays is a career. Take music, being an artist, take imoto, yebona. Research ukuthi njengoba nginomculo manje ngikade ukurecorda na i-disc. How can I get it out there? Yes, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Facebook, Instagram and everything. But market yourself first. I will not listen to Ipolo and what I said Angmazi, what is he about? Physically Angmazi. Like I'm saying, market yourself. WhatsApp, Facebook, I mean, you talk to your browse. You just get a video popping up. Guy was just freestyling straight up. Actually, freestyling would say, Ubano. No, don't move. No. Stick to what you're good at. Yeah.
Stick to your lane, my face.
Exactly, that's how it is.
So since we hip hop show, like there's a small game you see that we show like speaker now, come and the game ladies also Uchola Nova. So since person rapper hip hop, so who's that? So mention I'm MC Zambal, so still my partners are. Abayengizo sibahlola because azazi kahle lezo mjolo most nje Twitter every for shows wazi nje so oqala soqala ngayo soqala ngo reason so reason ujola noba
awu reason yo dabra wami awumletha ngandana la mina
ingane nje
look love I was such a fan. I remember me at that time with the person that I was at that time.
Well, goals.
I was the reason, and she was the love at that time. Because I remember there's a track that I was bumping like Isapu Mangale Suskanati. You know, do the corner what's in your show producer why am I forgetting? But it's sample. Sample corner.
I think I'll talk about the top 7.
Yes, that's my track, dog. It's a player called Anita Baker. Like that's a love song for me. So even the music video, you have it. Yeah, more. So for me, that was the track. It was like, okay, this is a couple. Like these are our relationship goals.
Kulichan. So
Kulichana. There's this lady. Kisanda Muzwangai, she's a DJ.
Kulichana ujola noba.
No, Lazi Kamala but she's a DJ. I think she's a house DJ for Imagine.
We present the Life Aim.
I'm not much into TV, I won't lie. I'm into social media these days, so TV.
And on social media, we are involved we look down parts of the we were trained and after I mix I shall look down the MTV place. She's from Pretoria.
Online. Mom, they are out there on
course. Yeah, DJ Lamiz.
Hey, Oh yeah.
So last question ukuthi Jola nobani siphethe uNadia Nakhaya.
Nada Nakhaya ngagcine ngazothi wayephethe producer le Gemini Image angazi ke. But I heard they dating, so I don't know if that's still the case.
No,
no.
Data member ngizokutshela igama le group uzokutshela igama lomjidi.
Yeah.
Major League. So
Ulabona mfowethu
ama-twins lawa ya I'm not sure amagama
akuthi amagama kuba Andy ubandile no oyedwa ubandile. This other one, because I would say ubandile no Andy ubandile angazi nokuba and angikwazi ukwahlukanisa they so flipping identical, so ingathi ubandile is the other one no Uncinza the other one, so yeah.
Yeah, she was dating Bandile. I was looking for Bandile. Ngoba ulizolile nje igama phela Bandile. So
yeah.
Story sakhe yasazi. So umuntu oinform ngempela iPhop uhlezi.
Yeah.
Alice kuyona yonke into enzakalayo.
I have to. Because immediate is all about that. You need to be on your toes. You need to know story sakhe and everything. You need to educate yourself. So once you do that, in fact, you go places. Yeah, you go places. Especially if it's a radio. Radio kunalento letendaba lento ukuthi mhlawumbe usibanibani ubejole nobanibani wahlukana usibanibani ukhiphe nobanibani ingoma yakhe unamba baphesheya you need to like try to educate yourself or be on the know kwizinto kanjalo because you are in media. Yabo into ukuthi ngelila umuntu akumisa indlela nakubuze umtshela into right bese listen awufike lapha ema office lapha ke metro. What? Am I just getting a job for that? Yes, of course. So you never know.
Because so khona izinto efana no social media manager and umuntu uzoba umrapper ukwazi nokumanage. Lesingenza ibrand yakho masikhula uzodinga umuntu uzomqasha uzophusha le-story sakho because awukwazi ukuphusha ibrand yakho.
That's the thing.
So
work yabo ama-indie labels would be ukuthi uziphethe. Fanele uzazi ukuthi kanjani. Story sakho uzazi. Know yourself first before you sell yourself. Ibrand yazi manje ukudayisela itamati sauce manje ngizokutshela ukuthi yakhiwe kanjani wena if kunama ingredients ongakuni ingredient engaphathi kahle obviously ngiyithenga. So if I sell you something and ngingasho ukuthi le ingredient ethize engaphathi kahle uyithenga uzokula ngeuphindi uyithinte uyobe usufika kumina uthi ethi sikwele into ukudayiseleyo ubheke umfatana ngagula ngakhishwe isiso so into esizokwazi ukuthi masithi keep it uthi sikwele yashaba check the album nakhe ama check it la mhlawumbe u10 if it's go 14 sharp. No, that's a sign because you know within the album mangazi ukuthi I'm grooving to 10 tracks within the album. If it has 14 I know 4 can sound like, so I'm just gonna buy the album and deal it up.
And there's another market la ama influencers mhlawumbe adlale role engana mhlawumbe mobheka hip-hop sisabona especially like there's i-wave le ekuyaba khona la stage yama piano and ebeza ngawo wonke ama-angle like radio, internet and there's abantu abakhanda ama-page like Facebook and they are playing this song ku-background mhlawumbe ithini imphethe yakho mhlawumbe uyibonayo yenziwe nge-influence le qhamuka ku-social media.
I-influence eqhamuka ku-social media or i-influencer
yeah ukuthi mhlawumbe ibasiza ngani like nje ukupromoter music
social media.
Yeah,
social media is a huge impact, has a huge impact impilo esiphilayo. Nowadays you get into umuntu omdala uma uthi umbone ku-Facebook hey madala what are you doing here, so it means ukuthi yinto global, yinto engathiwa uma ukhiphe into ethize manje within 2 minutes 3 minutes isibona umuntu phesheya. So from here to London within a few minutes usudayisile unamali. Umuntu wala uyathenga walapha waseGoli waseCape Town walapha kuze kufike eEngland shooting in the middle of 5 minutes you are a billionaire because that's where to keep a album and keep a track within 2 days you see platinum. That's how it is. That's social media. The market itself uyifakile ki-market yayo ukuthi as a rapper as uthi sikwele yangazi ngiya rapper ngikhiphe i-album ngikhiphe i-track as a single too i-album ethize ngiyangazi-ke kanje ngoba uyangazi ukuthi ngeke mfethu sisikuya ama-freestyle vele yabo nje amenamile ukuthi ngidlale nje i-track yama-freestyles nani nje ngidlala uSiskwe ukhiphile angeke kumele ngithole i-album mayiphuma futhi the first one to go and buy it uzimarkethile lo muntu market yourself it's there ama-tools akhona lapho ukuthi uzimarkethe uzibrande wazi usazi ukuthi usothi kusasa yaphuma i-album ekuseni khona umuntu ozotshela useyitholile noma useyithengile.
So there is a big issue la ekhona eSouth Africa about ama-record label nama-indie lokawathini and ngifuna ukubuza wena nje ubeke basically hip hop sike sayibona enzakala sekhona abantu abafana nokuthi record wahamba uBrown Day show principal khala abantu now there's a new label ambitious abantu baphuma bangena nani so wena nje ngifuna ukuthi nje la hip hop ungibeke nje kahle ukuthi wena ngokubona kwakho ukuthi lento ama-label ama-artists wonke artists afuna ukuba independent is it a good thing noma mhlambe umuntu kumele stick record label ukuthi amsebenzile mhlambe ikuphi ukubona mhlambe noma ama-disadvantage e-deal nokuba indie ikuphi kahle usabantu because we know even naphesheya there are lots of people abanama-label and kuyabasebenzela.
It would be ukuthi if uzothini usayiniwe if you lay ukuthi it's gonna bite you in the ass ngokuhamba kwesikhathi because you're lazy ukusayina kufuna ukuthi ukhiqize ama-hits each and every time you go in studio so that's where you're gonna survive if you're signed but if you're gonna get some time to chill jump bad. So I'd rather you just go the indie way. Have your own thing. Work at your own pace. Because sikhona isikhathi se-creativity. Wazi ukuthi mangena manje studio the shiny bang. But kusasa mangithi ngifuna ukushaya i-track yesibili kule album engifuna uyikhipha. Suku lonke uthi mind you when you signed, studio time is paid. While when you are indie when zinto yakho isikhathi sakho you flow at your own pace and everything you sorted you good makuthe album uzoyikhipha within next year you're gonna meet the deadline but like tshela kahle ukuthi njengoba uzoyikhipha ngo-January by August uphela manje isiphelile.
But what about ama-cost la ama-indie?
That's the thing. The indie ifuna ke njengoba ngisho ukuthi if you would market yourself kuyenzeka ukuthi uthole distribution deal. That's where you can just push. Distribution deal, clumping the marketing deal. If you're not good into marketing, but if you can market yourself, Zaj, you don't want to a club distribution deal, the publishing deal. Publishing, it also works down with the marketing and everything. But if you just have a distribution deal, I think I'm a cost is. And it's not cheap and everything.
Because you are responsible for everything.
Exactly. So you need to have a team. You need to have two producers, a marketing guy, never team. Leaders got to get March from March until end of November. CKP album is. So it is possible, it's just that that's not cheap. So, but I think that's the only way. It's because none of saying your foot she just let us out. Got to little way to try. How fucked up is that? It's not possible, you know. Ugcina usozawusakwazi ngempela ukudayisa. Kanti ngesikhathi kuthiwa uthi square. Hayi woza ushaya into yakho. Hayi ziyasha. Bathenga uthi square. Kungena uthi square sekuphuma ubani. No. It doesn't work like that. So when you have a following we also know you still have a following. But when usuyishayile i-album yakhe isiphumile sesikulandela ngoba sithi hayi kusele umjida siyamazi ublind masithalalela hayi kwenzekile. That's the thing. But if you indie uyakwazi ukuthi ukwenze konke lokho. So yeah.
So freedom ikhona in
freedom, you need to be creative. Creativity in terms of ukuthi wenze noma yini ofuna ukuyenza ngaleso sikhathi nani, it always works. Yeah.
So like abalaleli bakho mhlambe noma abantu base-PMB mhlambe bafuna ukulalela ishow or not even PMB since wena we are online.
It's that
Yeah, everywhere mhlambe abantu bengakhesha kuphi ishow ingena nini, how many days a week, isini slow
yeah.
sithola kanjani ishow?
Catch me at a new online radio. It's called the Sambulo online radio. It's sambulo.radio12345.com. That's where you can get me. Stream me. I'm on air or live or the internet Saturdays 8 to 11 p.m. because it was from 7 to 9 and yeah, with my 9 to 5 kwaba nokuthi, but yeah, I'm from 8 to 11 Saturdays. Make sure your data ready, you sorted. Isambulo.radio12345.com. You sorted. Isambulo.radio12345.com. The Lockdown Hip Hop Sessions brought to you by your boy T Square.
And my socials sithola since
get me on Facebook T Square Tabashe. Get me on Insta T Square TSKWE. Get me on Twitter exactly 40 TSKWE T Square. Straight up.
Just T Square.
T Square. One way. Yeah, it's your boy.
And like online radio station before we close the show, there's abantu behlezi befuna ukhala ngathi mhlambe expensive kanjani mhlambe. Let's say mhlambe 50 megabytes. Ngingakhululela mhlambe for how many hours mhlambe ngoba abantu bahlezi bethuzwa into abangayizana neza basi no online data lami.
What I love about Lelo Doza, it's very cheap. We do 50 megabytes, as you can listen to the whole show. Straight up. You can listen to the whole show, nje grand, kamnandi. Yeah, stream and especially if it's kuba no off peak needs. Exactly.
So 3 hours I'm sorted 50 megabytes.
Uqala ngena nje mfethu tune in. Highlight me, I got you. You can even dedicate a song, ungazo khonze. Interact with me, man. Let's just listen. Let's just get it. Yeah.
So show T Square futhi sabonga ukuthi ufike la kusho speaker nawe and mfethu uqhubeke uphushe hip hop ase-PMB mfethu. Sababona abantu abaningi umrap abagive up e-PMB benze ezinye izinto but abantu abafana nabo bahlala kwi-game like hip hop badingeka for isikhathi eside mfethu. So nje uqhubeke bafethu ube patient nomrap abala sabazi abanye bafike bevuma bathi beze interview next thing so utshela abalaleli bafake poster on pitch up so mfethu. Qhubeke nje mfethu nomrap angazama ukuba professional size nje zonke lezi zinto okukhumbula into ezobasiza abantu abaningi especially laba abasaphusha intwana emanje school esafuna ukungena la ukuthi zingene sezinayo ipicture because abantu abaningi baqapha amasebe no 30 years uthi no kube ngenza izinto like this so mfethu we salute to speaker now mfethu.
My guy, it's been a pleasure, and as you said, once you start, do not stop. Try to surround yourself with people with people who if formula doesn't work, try something else. But one thing you should know, beyond the outreach, there are a lot of producers ePMB alone. So if ubona ukuthi lo muntu ade ngisebenza naye akusahambi kahle qonqoza umunye umnyango kuzolunga, but mina ngikhona, so yeah, it's your boy T Square, man, signing out.
Sure bafethu, this was your boy T Square bafethu interview wethu namhlanje speaker nawe production is usual suspect bafethu. So mawukhona ku YouTube subscribe, sikhona na ku Facebook lapha na ku YouTube. Facebook igama speaker now, on Twitter @speaker now. So this is a boy Taylor DJ. You can also follow me on Twitter @go_Nkosi. So we out.